Imagine listening to a soulful melody, paired with stunning visuals that feel straight out of a high-budget production, and then finding out it was all made by AI. No fancy studio, no pricey gear, just creativity fueled by powerful AI tools. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can create a full music using nothing but AI. Stick around because by the end, you'll realize just how limitless your creativity can be. Let me introduce you to Music GPT, a complete game changer that's rewriting the rules of music creation. This isn't just another AI tool. Think of it as your personal producer, songwriter, and sound engineer all in one. The interface is clean, simple, and built for creativity. But don't let that fool you. It's unbelievably powerful. Just hit sign up, create your account, and you're in. Once you're logged in, you're all set to create your very first masterpiece. Right here is the prompt box. This is where the magic happens. You can literally ask for any kind of song. For example, I typed in, create a K-pop style song about rising sun with self-love. With just a single click on the send button, the AI gets to work. And here's the crazy part. It doesn't just give you one version. It gives you two. That means you get options, just like working with a real producer who knows how to capture different vibes. Now listen to this energy.
Streetlights black, the city's alive. A rhythm in my heart, I can't deny. Got that feeling deep inside my soul, ready to lose control, make myself whole. Every beat, a pulse, a brand new start. Leaving shadows, playing me not your name. Ignite the spark, as I find, leaving worries, leaving them. Streetlights blur, the city alive. A rhythm in my heart I can't deny. This vibrant electric track designed to last.
It's pure fire. This track right here, it sounds like something that could be playing at festivals all around the world. Both versions are insanely good. Music GPT completely nailed two different K-pop songs, all based on my simple prompt. And here's the fun part. You can push it even further just by enhancing your prompt. But let's switch things up. This time, I asked for a soulful R&B ballad with smooth jazz influences and silky vocals. And within seconds, it's ready. Just listen to that vibe.
Lights paint the window pane, a soft glow in the night. Lights paint the window pane, a soft glow in the night. Another day has faded now, just you and I holding tight. The only
From K-pop to R&B in no time, Music GPT isn't just spitting out random sounds. It's actually understanding genres, moods, and even the theory behind the music. That's something it takes humans years to master. And it doesn't stop there. Over here on the right, you can check out the lyrics for your song, copy them, or even download the whole project. But here's where things get even more exciting. If you click on the tools icon, you'll see an option to generate lyrics from scratch. Just type in your idea, like make a lo-fi track about enjoying solitude on a rainy day. And boom, AI writes the lyrics for you. And honestly, they are surprisingly good. So whether you're a poet, a writer, or someone with amazing lyrics but zero musical ability, Music GPT has your back. In my case though, I already have lyrics prepared. So instead of using the auto-generated ones, I'm swapping them out with my own. Lyrics about chasing dreams in a digital world. When you're creating with Music GPT, this is where you bring everything together. Your genre, your mood, your theme. So I described the style. An indie pop song with electronic elements. Nostalgic but filled with hope. And here's where the anticipation builds. This is the moment where words transform into something bigger. Something that can move thousands of people. Listen to this.
I pulled a hoodie from the drawer tonight. Threads weren't thin, but it fits just right. Your laughter lingers in the cotton weave, a ghost of warmth I can't believe. That old hoodie still smells like you. Through the silence, this scent breaks through. Every memory stitched in blue. I'm holding on to what I can't undo. Where your hands would hide, I trace the seams, I'm back in time. The city lights fade into your eyes, but I'm left with shadows and whispered lies. That old hoodie still smells like you. Through the silence, the sin breaks through. Every memory stitched in blue. I'm holding on to what I can't undo.
It's incredible. The AI didn't just process the lyrics. It captured the emotion, the story, the exact vibe I wanted. It feels alive. But here's the crazy part. We are only scratching the surface. Music GPT isn't just about creating from scratch. It's about transformation. Over in the Tools tab, you'll find an entire suite of features. You can generate sound effects, create voiceovers using text-to-speech, remix any song, replace sections of a track, or even extend the duration. Now here's something creators are going to love. The instrumental and sound effects generator. Just switch to instrumental mode, type in your idea, say create epic cinematic trailer music with orchestral elements and dramatic builds. And boom, you've got a soundtrack ready to use. And there it is. Music GPT just delivered a cinematic trailer track that sounds like it belongs in a blockbuster movie. If you're a content creator, this tool isn't just helpful. It's like having your own personal music assistant, ready to create, remix, and transform whatever you need. From songs to sound effects to full instrumentals, it covers every angle of your creative process. So if you're ready to kickstart your own AI music video journey, dive into Music GPT and experiment with different songs, genres, and styles. I'd love to hear what you come up with. So drop a comment below and share the music video you created and how it turned out. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI creativity tips, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Until then, happy creating, and I'll see you in the next one.